Hi. Hey, Zan, what happened?
Because I buy you.
How did it make me feel?
Sad.
Are you supposed to bite me?
No.
What are you eating?
Cake.
That was Tice's cake, baby. Zan.
Good.
Emma, did you get that for your birthday, Tice? Zan, how old are you?
6 years old.
Oh, when's your birthday?
March 24th.
Good. Who's your best friend?
Tice is my best friend.
Oh, Tice, who's your best friend?
Birthday.
Who? Cookie.
Mine. Get set. Go.
Yay, there goes Cookie. Where you guys want to go eat? McDonald's? Where do you want to eat, Zan?
I want to eat at Burger King.
Okay. What do you want to get at Burger King?
French fries, hamburgers, and apples.
What do you want to get to drink?
Sit.
A drink of sip? A Sprite? You want sip too? Okay. Alrighty.